Start it again. Yeah. And we also have to initialize our scene. Like we already saw in here, we have to call load model, right? Okay. So, actually, you would try to put in init state your code to load the right model, right? But with this widget that comes from the plugin, your actual initialization is uncreated, right? So it's in here. Because of that, like you already here see, you don't see anything. So the initialization is needed. That means we're going to get the controller and send a message. We need the game object name. It's the init. It's that one. Then we are calling load model. And the message will be our actual model, replace all white spaces and to lowercase, right? Perfect. Then reload our app and you will see this. This is because this widget is not actually wrapped in an aspect ratio, okay? We need an aspect ratio of the same values like we already set up in Unity. Perfect. Our model is loaded. Now we can go on at first. Let's correct this colors black. Alright. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Maybe we need actually the init state to change. I think that's enough. Yeah, great. Alright. Now background color. Background color. Color's white. Great. Okay, now we got the same color like Unity. Okay. Now we want to talk with Unity and rotate our model and also let the car drive. Okay, if you're going to touch, here you can see there are also touch events which we are going into dive deeper in the next parts, but for now we need in the body a column. This is going to be flexible, and the other parts is going to be a card. The first one is going to be a slider adaptive. With padding in const edge insets all 25. In the child we get a text rotation, and now we're taking this value and say set state rotation equals value, and then get the Unity view controller, send a message. We're going to pass this message to the same which got the rotation script, so it's model as. That means actual model. Replace all white spaces to lowercase. Okay, the method name is, let's have a look. Method name is set rotation speed, and the message will be value to int. Oh, wait a minute. That was the error, and not the lowercase. Oh, yeah, and like you see, he's always passing zeros. So you have to add min 0, max 100. Then we will be able to rotate our car. Perfect. Now you get a 3D model rotating. Very nice. Very good. Second one, we will add, let's say, padding. Let's take this. Add a child. It's a divider. And we need the same, but without this one. And call it speed. Value is speed. Let's make a maximum 400. And it's not set rotation speed, but let's have a look in driving. Set car speed, right? Okay. Great. Oh, there is a little error. I see an error here. Oh, come on. Great, that's working. Very good, very good, very good. Now, because of the error in here, for the right tires it's just inverted, so we just have to correct that. But now if I'm going to 0, it's slowly stopping. Perfect. Next, and we will do cool stuff and maybe start with the Cybertruck. See you soon.